everyone, how are you all? I am Ashray Acharya and I welcome you all to yet another episode of Cricket Up. And in this particular video, we'll be talking about why these Aussie players are always surrounded by some sort of controversies, be it the Tim Paine scandal, be it the Monkeygate scandal that took place a long time ago, be it the sandpaper scandal, or in any of these series, you will find some sort of controversy surrounding these Aussie players. So, are they cheaters? Or is it just a part of the game, or what's going on with them? Let's talk about them in this video. And let's start by congratulating them first that finally they won a T20 World Cup that was missing from their trophies. And under the captaincy of Aaron Finch, they finally managed to get that one as well against New Zealand in the finals. And now they were supposed to face the England in the oldest rivalry of Test cricket, the Ashes. And just before that, a big breaking news came up from the media that Tim Paine has resigned from the captaincy of Australian team. He was the captain of the Test team post that sandpaper scandal that took place in South Africa, where the case of ball tampering was caught on the camera, and due to which Steve Smith has had to relinquish his captaincy, and David Warner was also not allowed to participate for a few months from the Australian side in cricket. And post that, Tim Paine handled the captaincy of Australia, but now he is under deep trouble as well, because there has been reports by the Australian media that one of her co-workers from Cricket Tasmania has alleged that has broken down this news that she has been sent some of the unwanted pics and texts from the Aussies Test team captain Tim Paine on their chat. And to be honest, this incident was supposed to have taken place in 2017, and when he was about to be given the Test captaincy, although he had been given a clean sheet in the past as well, that he has not done some sort of thing. But right before the Ashes, this controversy has again got some flames by the Aussie media, and I believe that one of the reasons why these Aussies remain in controversy is because of their media, the hype they create around them, and the kind of rally they do against other team members, against other teams that come to visit Australia. Sometimes backfires as well. Some of the cricketers, the former cricketers, if I'm talking about, be it Ricky Ponting, be it Shane Warne, they have been involved in such controversies as well. So I believe that there has been quite a culture that has been observed in the Australian cricket squad about the same surrounding the controversies. As I've mentioned about that sandpaper scam, the ball tampering that took place against South Africa, even though Steve Smith cried in that particular press conference that was conducted, but later on when India visited Australia this past year, there were incidents when Steve Smith was trying to remove the mark of Rishabh Pant while he was batting. So although Australian team is a quality team, but the kind of tactics they use, sometimes backfires them own, and this time this is exactly what has happened with them. The Tim Paine has resigned from the captaincy, and there has been a lot of controversy regarding his selection as well. The chief selector of Australian cricket, George Bailey, has sidelined himself from the inclusion of Tim Paine for the upcoming Ashes as well, although he is available to play for this side. And now the latest build-up is that Pat Cummins, who has been the vice captain of the team, will be the 47th Test captain for the Australian cricket side, and this will be after 65 years that a pacer will be taking in charge of the captaincy for Australian cricket. So this will be an interesting series for both of these sides, because England are two in great form at the moment, and Aussies have just come up winning the World Cup. But the formats have changed, but I believe that the mentality will remain the same. We will be seeing a lot of clashes, a lot of fights as well, a lot of good cricketing shots, good bowling performance, good fielding performance as well throughout the tournament. After all, it's a matter of glory for both the sides. So I'm excited about this Ashes series. I hope you are as well. So let's end this topic here. I hope that there will be no such controversies but we all know that there will be some controversies coming up again. So whom to blame, be it the Australian board or be it the Australian media? Please let me know in the comment section. Let's see how the story unfolds from here now. I hope you're having a great day. Enjoy. Have a blast. Thank you.